Hi, welcome to how to set up SCCM current branch. This is part 1, the introduction. SCCM stands for System Center Configuration Manager, and the current branch just means whatever the most recent version is. At the time of recording, that's 1902. The setup process for SCCM hasn't changed very much since 2012. It's unlikely to change in the near future. So for the foreseeable future, this guide should remain relevant. Just to simplify the process of recording and explaining, I'll be basing the series around what I would consider the most common use case, but I will be touching on other use cases, and if there is enough demand, I can cover other use cases. We'll be looking at setting up a single standalone primary site server, which will support up to 175,000 total clients, and we'll also be looking to co-locate SQL on the SCCM server, which helps to reduce latency between the SCCM and SQL instances. This is recommended for any use case which is below 50,000 clients and isn't restricted by SQL policies. This is always something that you have to agree with your in-house SQL team, but in order to get the best performance out of SCCM, as long as you're below the 50,000 client limit, it is best to co-locate the SQL. We'll be starting with one domain and then later on extending SCCM to manage another domain as well. We're going to assume that servers and clients are on separate LANs with a firewall between them. So SCCM is big, it is quite complicated, there are a lot of elements to it, but with this guide it should be possible. In the next video we'll be looking at the hardware requirements for SCCM. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.